Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I incorporated that beautiful fall vase that I just created. It is so pretty. It's so full. It looks so real. Just beautiful. And all of the flowers, the picks, everything that you see, the little berries, all of these came from Dollar Tree. Before we get started, I want to apologize in advance for one, the shaky camera, because I'm holding it and trying to keep it steady. But number two, I have two finches, Max and Melanie. In the background, you probably hear them singing and chirping. They offer their apologies in advance, but they decided they want to sing when I wanted to record, so excuse them. But this is how the vase turned out. It's so pretty. Very fall-like, very lifelike. Now, the vase that I used came from IKEA. I've had this vase for quite a while. The sand, I got that from Michael's. Now, I did use the whole bottle of sand, but I kept the container because I'm going to use the sand over. Dollar Tree has all kinds of sand, rocks, and a lot of different things you can use for your vase. You can put ribbon in there, flowers, whatever you want. But I just decided to use the sand because that's what I had. And I think it works. So that's that. Now I do have this long garland here. It's long. I guess it's about 2 feet long, maybe 18 inches. I don't know. It came from Walmart, and as you can see, it has the berries in it. It has a little matching little things that match the vase there. So I decided to get it. I probably could have made it, but it was only $9. And honestly, I just didn't feel like creating it. By the time I would have bought all the stuff, because it has a burlap vase and all of the little picks already, I would have spent more than $9. So I thought it was a good deal. I went ahead and grabbed it. So that's that. And then here's the place setting. And I have 4 of them. Now all of these items came from Dollar Tree. Most of them, I should say. A lot of these things I already had. This placemat, I got 4 of these from Walmart for, I think it was $2.97. This charger I already had. It came from Dollar Tree. These 2 white plates I already had. They came from Wayfair. This like reddish orange bowl, it came from Dollar Tree. Thought it was really pretty and definitely fall. I did buy the matching glasses to go with this, but I decided not to put them out because I didn't like how it looked. And then we have these black glasses I thought were perfect for the fall theme. This is kind of like either a wine glass or a water glass. Now I got this from Dollar Tree, and they still have these. I see them all the time. I've had these for quite a while. And then these little sorry guys, this little black glass here, still have them. You can get these at Dollar Tree. Really cute. But that's how the table place setting came out. Now I had some extra picks, and instead of putting too many flowers there in the vase, what I did is I just stuck the pick underneath the charger to give it, you know, just to add some more, you know, color. So just stick it under there. Let me see if I can lift it up. There we go. And it just gives you some more, you know, fall detail. I ended up with 2 sets of these. So I had 2 of these. And then I had 2 of these. And you can see they're a little bit different. I like this one better. But it's just stuck on the corner, like catty corner. Just to add to the fall theme. And on the back here, I have some faux gourds. These came from Dollar Tree as well. And they look so real, and I just throw them in the back just to add a different look to the other side of the vase. But tell me what you think. How do you like it? Do you like how it turned out? It's so cute. Sorry about the shaking camera again, guys. I'm trying to hold it steady. Now, those orange pillows in the background here, I got these from not Wayfair, Homegoods. And they're actually two-sided. One side is orange solid, and then one side is like burlap. So I just bought them for the orange color. I liked them, and I just put them right in front of my white little furry pillows that never, you know, I never take down. But those, I have that one, and then I have one on that side. And there's my little fish. He's so mean. But this is it. I wanted to kind of transform my table for fall. I think it worked out. It's a lot of color for me. Something that I'm not really used to, but I really do like how it turned out. And it's giving me some courage now to try color and to move into color for maybe, you know, the next season or next thing. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate you watching and looking at this video. Please share and like it. Also, leave comments and let me know how you what you think in the comment section below. So, thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.